50th anniversary of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Inset is Dr. Homi Bhabha. Ruturanga, miniature paintings on 4 Rutus. Clockwise from top left, Grishma, Vasanta, Varsha, Hemant. Birth centenary of Dr. Salim Ali, the ornithologist. 25th anniversary of Vivekananda Sheela Smarak. 150th anniversary of Roorkee University. Sant Jnaneshwar. 75th anniversary of Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun. On the occasion of International Stamp Exhibition, Indipex 97, 4 stamps were published. Theme was Buddhist cultural sites. Clockwise from top left, ruins of Nalanda University. Bodhi tree at Bodhagaya. Stoop at Kushinagar. Stoop and Ashok pillar at Vaishali. Birth centenary of V. S. Khandekar, the well-known figure in Marathi literature. The first day cover shows the cover page of famous novel Yayati. Death centenary of Savitribai Phule. She is women education campaigner. Completion of Konkan Railway. The first day cover shows a diesel locomotive coming out of Dasgaon tunnel. Sant Gadge Baba, a great Kirtankar and social reformer. 40th anniversary of DRDO. Apart from keeping India self-reliant in defense equipment, this organization has offered to India the most dynamic President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Mizoram Accord. This was signed on 30th of June 1986 between Central Government of India and Mizo National Front. This assured peace and stability to the state. Sindhu Darshan. The depiction shows upper reaches of Sindhu. Vrishabha seal found in Indus Valley. Also is written on the stamp description of Sindhu that occurs in Rigved as so swift is Sindhu, nothing can impede. Endangered species, Asiatic lion. First sunrise of the millennium. For India, sunrise occurs earliest at Kachar Island, which is a part of Nicobar group of islands. Indigenous breeds of cattle, clockwise from top left, Gir, Kankaraj, Hallikar, Kangayam. 4 stamps on migratory birds. 27th Olympic Games at Sydney, Karnam Malleshwari brought bronze for India in weightlifting. Thank you friends for being with Vishwas Joshi.